Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in on Slikhaar TV.
What's up, guys? This is Jeremy.
You know this guy? The fragrance guy?
Yeah.
Jeremy Fragrance.
Nice to be in Denmark. Awesome. Haircut action today.
So, Sivan, are you up for it?
Yeah, I do.
Do you know is it gonna be a super short hairstyle or what's?
I don't think so. Yeah, I just checked Jeremy's length on the top, so it's going to be like maybe half of the length.
Yeah.
And on the sides, it needs to be trimmed all the way up. So.
And Jeremy will be vlogging during the haircut, so go and check out the vlog on this channel as well.
Thanks, guys. Let's go.
Let's go to the haircut.
I woke up pissed off today, and baby, everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me, smoking cigarettes on balconies. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too. Took a toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end, but I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too. Took a toll on me, but I made it with you next to me. Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end, but I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When when you're screaming, but they only hear you whisper. I'll be loud for you, I'll be loud for you. I got you, I promise. Let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too.
Thank you very much for watching this episode.
Thank you.
It was so nice to have you here. Do you like it?
I liked it. It was a very, very professional haircut. It took some time, but the techniques you used from every angle and all its different scissors was very impressive. So they really took it to the highest level.
Happy to hear it, Jeremy.
Thank you.
What's the length?
Actually, yeah, basically I trimmed the sides with 10 millimeters. Of course, it's a little bit shorter on the ears, and we did a short taper at the neck.
You got
As
it.
you can see here. But the length on the top, it's approximately 5 or 6 centimeters.
And it's easy to manage?
Yeah, easy to manage, man. It saves time, man. Styling your hair can take a lot of time every day. So this type of hairstyle does not take so long like yours, right?
It takes five to 6 minutes. It's the blow drying process.
Yeah.
That's important. And then, yeah, of course, a blow dry it with SIDEKICK.
Yeah.
Get a good amount of hold, and then add
Yeah.
a little bit of. Right now, I'm using Gold Digger and Power Mate. Bang. That's it.
I'm actually only going to use your organic SIDEKICK and see if that would work. If I don't need anything else. No, natural style,
Yeah.
and with aloe vera inside, that's good for me. So I will try that out in the next weeks.
Perfect. Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Stay awesome.
For me too.